Okay, now look at this. So this is the door, double door. Okay, so to create this type of doors, first of all we need to start from this box, this area. The size of this box is 1 feet 5 inches and the thickness is 3 inches, and this extension is 1 inch. Okay, so count the number of duplicates: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, now coming back to CAD, and that is in feet, so change the units to architecture 00 and inches, and now taking the box at the rate of 1 feet 5 inches comma 3 inches is the size of this one. Press F7 to remove the grids, we don't require the grids. Okay, again take line command L, enter, and from here it is press F8, 1 inch and 1 inch. Okay, in this side also 1 and 1, and I'm closing this box, so drawing one more center line. Okay, and TR, enter, we don't have this line, we check out the diagram. Now again taking the line from here, taking the 1 inch gap, and this your box is finished. The number of duplicates are 11, so 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 kada, so 11 finished. Okay, so 11 we have finished till here we have finished, and this gap is 2 and this gap is 6 and this gap is 2. So likewise we have to use the offset command. Use the offset, so 2 is the offset, next 6 is the offset, next again 2, next 1 feet 10 inches, next is again 2, next 5 inches, 3 inches is the last one, and that's it. So L, enter, I need to extend this line up to this level. Again I'm extending this line up to this end, so TR, enter, trim, so I don't want, okay, so I don't want these extensions. Okay, again using the L command and line, enter, and it's 2, drawing a line, L, enter, from here also taking the distance as 2, delete it. So TR, enter, remove these 4 corners, again L, enter, so draw the diagonal line, L, enter, L, enter, L, enter, that's finished. So totally one side palette is finished. Now we have started from this end, and we need to add 2 more 3 blocks. So when I'm selecting this one, so all the 3 lines are getting selected, which I don't require, so I'm using the explode command to break that into 3 pieces. So when once I press explode, so all these 3 lines are again separated, and I'm using the offset 3 inches, again 3 inches. Okay, just randomly I'm extending, drawing this like this, or else you can use the fillet command. So fillet command अभी हम cover नहीं करे इसलिए use नहीं कर रहा मैं. So this side it is showing 3 inch and 2 inch. So offset is 3 inches and offset is 2 inch here. In that direction it is 4. Offset is 4. okay, and this gap is 2 inches. So first we'll finish this. Okay, now EX enter extension. So I'm extending this. So for making the extension only I have increased the size of that line. Okay, so afterwards that's it. So one side is finished. Now TR enter trim. So we don't want this extension, and look at this, and we don't require this extension, and we don't want this also. Okay, and we don't want this also. Okay, so that's it, fine. Now use the mirror symbol, but before that the gap is ½ inch. So from here 1/2 means 0.5. Okay, so use the mirror symbol, select the entire object, press enter. So mirror, while giving the mirror you have to set the center point. Click and drag it downwards and press enter, and there is a gap, select it and extend this up to the line, and this is your final output as finished. Okay, the new command is, see, this line is a separate line and this is also a separate line. We need to combine that. So frame should be a single entity. Okay, now going to the modify option, here is the join command, shortcut is J. So select J and selecting 1 and 2 and press enter. Now these two will be combined. And suppose I want to break any line in any position, then that also I'll show. So that is called break it point. So select break it point, select the object and click wherever you want to break. Just I'm clicking over there, and that part will be separated. Again, to join these two, we are selecting join, selecting all the lines. How many number of lines are there? Just select all and press enter. This becomes a single entity. Try to remember this. Okay, break it point and join. So that's it.